Hi there, my name is Muhammad Hilmi, and today I will be explaining to you about fracking and its consequences. First and foremost, I'm going to tell you what is fracking. Well, fracking is a process of drilling and injecting fluid into the ground at high pressure in order to fracture shale rocks to release natural gas inside. Next, how does it work? Okay, now I'm going to explain to you step by step how fracking works. First of all, the well is drilled horizontally about 6,000 to 10,000 feet to up to 2 miles long, and then steel casing is inserted into the boreholes and then surrounded with cement to prevent leaks. The steel is perforated with a tool that creates small holes of water and tiny particles to escape. Then the pressurized mixture of water, sand, and chemicals are then pumped into the well under extremely high pressure. The fluid shoots through the holes and fractures the rock. And then the additives and sand found in the water mixture holes open these fissures, allowing the gas to escape and be brought up to the surface in the water that's pumped up. Lastly, the fracturing process is performed along with the length and out the well. Now, why is fracking so important? Well, first and foremost, as you can see, it allows the drilling firms to access difficult to reach resources of oil and gas. Other than that, it can drive down the prices of gas. Natural gas has many residential, commercial, and industrial uses. For example, stove-cooked pots, dryers, and home heating are used in residential. Other than that, commercial uses where heating and cooling offices, schools, and hospitals. For industrial uses, preheating metals, glass melting, and food processing. For power generation, operation of gas turbines to create electricity. Last but not least, it is also used for transportation fuels, where transit buses, trucks, vans, and passengers of cars. But however, there are also negative consequences of fracking. What are they? Well, first of all, we have methane pollution. Methane is a main component of natural gas and is 25 times more potent in trapping heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide. A recent study by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration (NOAA) monitoring gas wells in Weld County, Colorado, estimated that 4% of the methane produced by this well is escaping into the atmosphere. NOAA scientists found the Weld County gas wells to be equal to the carbon emissions of 1 to 3 million cars. That is a lot. Okay, and then we also have air pollution. A number of other air contaminants are released through the various drilling procedures, such as benzene, toluene, xylene, and ethyl benzene (BDEX), particulate matter and dust level of ozone or smog, nitrogen oxides, carbon monoxide, formaldehyde, and metals contained in the diesel fuel of combustion. Moving on. There are also chemical additives that are used during fracking. Methane gas and toxic chemicals can also leach out during fracking process. The EPA and the United States Geological Survey (USGS) have recently confirmed what the residents of Pavilion, Wyoming had been claiming, which is hydrofracking has contaminated their groundwater. What are the other consequences of hydrofracking? Well, as you can see here, large volume of water uses, approximately of 5 million till 8 million gallons of water are used, and farmers are competing with the fracking industry to gain this water. Other than that, there has also been a lot of infrastructure damage. Why? Because the fracking industry requires heavy tankers to transport their fracking equipment. Last but not least, the workers' health. They have been exposed to dust with high level of crystalline silica. As you can see, as for my conclusion, even though hydraulic fracking produces approximately 300,000 barrels of natural gas a day, but still, it is a small price to pay for the numerous environmental, safety, and health hazards that it can cause. As you can see, even though it has a lot of advantages, even though it produces a lot of energy, by producing natural gas, but still it has a lot of and numerous environmental hazards. That's it for my presentation today. I want to thank you.